What really happens to your body when you hold the horse stance every single day? On the surface, it looks simple. Just squat low and stay there. But give it 60 seconds, and you'll realize why ancient martial artists built their strength and discipline on this move. At first it feels easy. You drop down, settle in, and think this is nothing. But then the burn kicks in, your thighs light up like fire, your legs start trembling, your mind tells you to quit. That's when the real training begins. Because holding the horse stance isn't just about muscle, it's about rewiring your entire body. Stick with it, and your legs become unshakable pillars, your core tightens, your back straightens, undoing years of poor posture. Even your breathing slows, sharpening your focus like a blade. Here's the part most people don't realize. This single stance works the deep stabilizer muscles that normal workouts ignore. It strengthens your joints, boosts circulation, and builds mental toughness that carries over into every part of your life. No wonder monks used it for both meditation and combat. It forges not just the body but the mind. So here's your challenge. Drop into the horse stance tonight. Hold it for 1 minute. Push yourself past the fire and see how far you can go. Then ask yourself, if just 1 minute makes this much impact, what would 5 minutes a day do to your body and mind? Try it, and let's see how long you can last before your legs give out.